Hi everyone, thanks so much for having me. I'm Carolyn Nassiff, Operations and Business Development Manager at Savior Wardrobe. Savior Wardrobe is a fashion tech platform supporting brands and retailers and offering care and repair services to their customers. We were founded in 2017 by our co-founders Hasna and Mehdi, initially as a digital wardrobe app, which launched in 2020. From there, we evolved into an after-sales app, trying really hard to focus on care and repair for the industry. We help global brands map, design, automate, and scale aftercare, turning sustainability into infrastructure and after-sales into a driver of loyalty, efficiency, and long-term value. We're now a team of over 40 members across Tunis, London, Dubai, and France, and really powering care and repair across the industry. We have a decentralized model, which means we work with local care and repair partners across the world with over 500 in our global network. This ranges from everything such as repair and alterations for your clothes, but also leather specialists, upcycling, etc. Since 2018, we've been working with the Arts and Humanities Research Council, as well as the Business of Fashion, Textiles, and Technology on some of the work that we've been doing. So we were part of BFTT's Challenge 3, which was remodeling fashion, design practices, and business models for sustainability. Our main goal with this was kind of twofold. One was the fact that we had such a large kind of cohort of service partners was to bring them in-house. So as I mentioned, we were first a digital wardrobe app where we had a referral model for care and repair. So we referred you to local partners in your area. What we really wanted to do was bring this in-house and enable you to be able to book directly through the app your care and repair services. From there, we also wanted to build out our own technology. So we wanted to, and in case you didn't have the app, be able to book care and repair services through an online booking site, but also manage that in the back end for the partners doing the work. So this was truly the foundation of us building our company and where we are today. So essentially, Savior Wardrobe worked together with the different partners to gain information and also to build out the tech. So now, when you're booking online, you're just booking kind of with what you already have and directly linking into the care and repair services. So this was really to streamline and optimize everything for the customer, for the brands, and for the service partners. So now when you make a booking, the order goes directly to the service partner, and we're able to digitize and work on how you would have that relationship in person talking about care and repair. You now have that digitally. So they're able to do all the same functionalities as if you were going into your local care and repair partner. Our goal was really to build an ecosystem of services that you'd be able to access and a one-stop tech solution for the industry to be able to enable care and repair at scale. So a really strong back end and infrastructure was what we were focusing on here. And with the support, we were able to do that and build out our technology. And since those early days, we've continued to improve and optimize our technology with leading technology for the industry. We won in 2023, the LVMH Innovation Award, which was really great, strong signal about after sales and care and repair for the industry and for us as a company. So since then, we've really kind of pivoted to be B2B and to showcase with brands and what we can do to support their after sales, aftercare, and care and repair services. So we work with brands such as Zalando, Hugo Boss, Sandro, Maj, and the LVMH Maisons, as well as Bicester Village. And we're really a commercial global platform powering care and repair and after sales at scale. So what's next for Savior Wardrobe? With the support, we've continued to grow and optimize our platform, and we're continuing to grow in the EU, the US, and the Middle East. You may have seen that there's a lot of legislation now around sustainable business models and care and repair, and essentially we're looking at supporting brands across the board and being able to do this, not just in terms of fashion, but exploring other verticals as well. Anything that needs to be repaired can be managed through our technology, which is extremely adaptable. We've this summer acquired Lever Commodore, which is a French company, to really establish our presence in France and the EU and continue to push the future of after sales. Our goal truly is to make care and repair as accessible as possible and to drive the operational efficiency for brands and create the commercial value as well. And we'll continue to build the team and the technology to help power that. Thank you so much for having me, and thank you for the teams for your support.